All right, welcome back, everybody. Real early morning again today. Gonna try to do something I've been meaning to do all season. I'm not gonna necessarily say what it is just yet, but if you guys know me, you know I'm gonna go nuts if I don't catch some of these soon. It's been a long season so far, and I did get into a few, but hopefully, if you're seeing this, I got some of those monsters. So you can see I made it out here, and it's bare. Like, you need some crunchies today. I traveled a little ways away, got up nice and early, actually woke up with my alarm, so hopefully that's a good start to the day. And yeah, let's catch some fish now. Okay, so I came out searching for bluegills first. Couldn't find any of them where I was at, and I was traveling over this area, and I figured that instead of coming back to a spot, I would try it out for a minute or two, drill out a couple holes. I'm gonna try for some perch here. It's like the beginning of the deep flat, so I mean, I have the potential to run into a school of them. Obviously, it's not necessarily like what I was searching for, so we'll see how it goes, but at least I'm trying it. Okay, so I got the precision out here in the helix because I'm fishing this deeper water. See if I can come up with some perch here. Okay guys, if you've been around for a while, you know this perch colored JB Lures bow spoon, big bad bow spoon, tends to get the right fish active, so I'm going to switch to that. I don't know, I was getting some fish coming in on the Swedish pimple, but I know this works when they're kind of finicky, so I'm going to put some red spikes on there and try and stick a couple of them. There's definitely fish around. I'd like to see what they are. See if the tungsten works for them. It'll take a half hour to get it down there. I should have a heavier tungsten on there if I'm going to be out this deep. There's a couple. There we go. Doesn't feel that big, but it's a fish, and it's a perch. There's the first one. So those were perch that were coming up to my other baits. They just wouldn't commit. So apparently downsizing is the only way to go today. Here comes one. He's a little bit better. Just had to pound bottom to get him to come up. Getting bigger. Definitely another one on the bottom. Mark that. That almost knocked me over. Holy crap. Bang. So there's definitely fish on the bottom. They just wouldn't come up for my bow spoon. And something I noticed about my bow spoon is that one's missing the flapper. That key little flasher that kind of gets everything to bite it. So I'm going to have to switch that around. That might be the big difference here. But I'm going to see if I can stick one of these guys on the bottom right now with the tungsten. And it's loaded up with spikes. So hopefully to them it's like candy. I just switched my tungsten. And the bottom came alive. There's a good one. A little bit better. Getting close to cleaning size. But that's what we switched to. It's a little clown tungsten. A little bit bigger than the other one I had on. But it looks like there's a school down there, so I'm trying to get back down and get another one. It would appear every time I reel up that draws some fish in, because the big one just came in from the bottom when I did that. Go drill holes, come back to this one, fish in the bottom of the hole. Let's see if I can get him to bite though. Fish. They get him to come back. Got him to come back. I don't don't know if this is the same one that was down there, because there was a really big mark at first. This one feels like, yep, about that same size, 6-7 inch range. Give me my thing back. There's definitely a fish down there, so I'm going to drop the tungsten down and see if I can get him to bite it. He won't come up for the spoon. This is why I upsized this tungsten, so I can get down there quickly. Got that guy off the bottom. Oh, swing and a miss. Will he come back? Yep. Oh, there's more down there too. He's not the only one. There's a better one. Oh. Now we get a school of fish. I wanted lunch. Apparently these guys are hungry too. Fish. Fish. Bigger fish. You get the spoon. There we go. That's what I came out here for. Question is, can I catch enough for these for dinner? I think I'll let this guy go though. Okay, so I might have figured out which bait to use to get these bigger fish to bite. They need to be about 2 inches bigger than that last one, and there were a couple more down there when I let them go, so hopefully we can get them to come back. Oh, that might be a bigger fish. I think that's definitely a perch. I don't think this is the same one that just came up and bit me, but feels better. They definitely like this spoon here. It's like a fire tiger, and I think it's Northland. Oh, there's a couple of them. Oh, those are bigger ones too. Of course the little one comes back. Alright guys, so today wasn't a banger of a day, you know, but I did come to a lake that I've been skunked on before, and I found some perch. The thing was, is I didn't switch enough baits, and I discovered that they like that little, I think that's a Northland, what are those things called? Forage minnow. It's like the smallest one they make, with a couple of spikes on it, and go figure, they started hitting that thing pretty aggressively. If I would have had that on all day, I might have caught some of those bigger fish that I seen coming up and turned me down. So always change baits. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna try and get out again here real soon and try to put together some more big fish videos, but can't complain. I got out, I caught a bunch of perch on a new body of water fishing for perch. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said before, obviously if you're not new here, you know what's up, but if you are new, can you please just remember to